You're watching AWE.
What you do is like take your hand, form it like a whisk, you put it in, and then you can use your wrist, and then when your wrist starts getting tired, just use your whole arm, and then you can keep strong.
All right then, here we go.
And you just keep whipping it until it's really foamy.
It is amazing how you get this texture.
The whisk is working well over there?
Really well, yeah.
Why do you get a whisk? Yeah.
Well, because I
That's
made
his
one.
Traditional whisk for my people, is it? I thought, I know, I'm a chef, I'll make a whisk, you know, figure of eights in the bowl and all that. I made it was actually a very good whisk.
Now, that's pretty tight. Let's see yours.
Oh. Yeah, a floppy disaster, as I
Can
thought.
I see it?
When you use your hands, you have a certain type of body oil in it that adds to the flavor of the soap berries. But if you use a whisk, it never gets the texture that it gets when you use your hand.
Guys, you're right. Mine is a royal disaster.
What an idiot. I should have listened to her.
Boy, you girls are doing pretty good.
Making a mess.
Oh, sore arms, girls?
Yep. No. Don't stop.
It was cool watching the grandkids compete with art and dance. They were just whipping as fast as they could, and the berries are going everywhere, and that was awesome.
It's a disaster. My whisk is a disaster.
How's yours, guys? There's mine. Are these done yet, Yvonne?
Yeah, they look pretty done. Yours
Oh, mine
is
is like ice cream.
not done.
Mine's terrible.
Oh, that's pretty thick. That's very
Mine done. Mine done.
This time, I've made the disaster, and you've got perfection. Thank you for this lesson. We better get on out. We've got work to do.
I want to lick my fingers. Okay, one more trip in the lake.
The great thing about this is the kids are involved. So well done, making it fun. That's what's important. It's a lesson in itself.